Know you've been a good friend, been there through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below. If you're returning, just say hi. If you'd like more videos just like this one, where I'm taking Dollar Tree products or items from the thrift store / yard sale, where I'm upcycling them into home decor pieces, things like that, please consider subscribing. And if you click that bell icon, you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I would appreciate if you guys would hit that like button if you like what you see or if you find this video helpful. It helps me know what videos you want more of, and it also helps my channel grow. So, what will we be making today?
Okay, today we're going to be making this DIY project. It's very quick, easy, and simple. I used all Dollar Tree products in both of these DIYs. I don't know about you, but there are times that I want a very quick and easy project. These will take you less than 5 minutes to make, and it's a fun little thing to decorate with. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned.
If you'd like to know what supplies I've used, please check out the description box below. And without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to need are these 3 amber vases from the Dollar Tree. I'm peeling off the labels at the bottom, and notice how I'm struggling a bit. If you take a baby wipe, cure-all baby wipes, you can see, just quickly rub it and all gone. It's perfect. I love using baby wipes. And Vaseline. Those are my 2 favorite products. I use them for everything. I take 3 pieces of twine, about all the same sizes, because it's just easier that way if we just cut them at the same time. And I'm going to wrap it around the lip of the vase. I wrap it around 3 times and I tie a very simple bow. And I will cut off the little tails of the bow. Wow, look at that. So easy. Now I am going to take off the pumpkins and the gourds on these picks because I used them in my last project. If you've seen my lantern, if you didn't, check it out. I love it. So I just take those off, and I am tying around that little wire that the pumpkin was on, and I just bend the bottom of it and I put it right in, and that is the finished product. Oh, I'm burning the twine because it really makes a difference, and I enjoy it. And I used up that entire thing of flame juice. Look at the difference if you don't burn it. Look at that. I gotta get rid of all that fuzz. All right, so I am taking my fall stickers. These are the poster stickers from the Dollar Tree, and this is a scrapbook paper that I've had for a very long time. It comes in those books. It was like a fall themed one, and I just liked it with the colors of everything. And I am using my square to make sure they're straight, and I put them on first, and now I'm gonna cut it so that those are in the center. I just did a little backwards. Oh, and then I take my Waverly Chalk Paint in Truffle because I want to kind of distress it a bit. And I'm just brushing it right over the letters. If I get too heavy over the letters, I go back with a wipe and it cleans right off because it's kind of like a vinyl, the letters. I take some of the yellow Waverly Chalk Paint, and I forget the name of it. I'm so sorry, but I will list it in the description box. Maybe Maize? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Don't quote me on that. All right, so I am cutting it out, and I'm mad at myself because I'm using my fabric scissors. I need new scissors, so I actually went out yesterday to buy some, and I should not have used my fabric scissors. Okay, this is from the Dollar Tree. It's one of those little clothesline picture hangers. And I just take out those pretend pictures, and I'm putting on the fall sign. Look how easy this is. Now, again, you don't need to use scrapbook paper. You can use anything. They have those words now, like the grateful, thankful words. You can put that on there. They're metal. You can use anything. This is just an idea. Now, this is the wheat picks or florals from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just cutting off pieces of it. And those were actually wires in there, and I did not use my scissors for that because that would have ruined my scissors. This is how I ruined my old scissors. Okay, so I'm just cutting off some pieces, and I start with the leaves, which I usually do when I make any type of wreath or anything like that. I usually start with the leaves, and then I'll work my way up to the focal point, whether it be the flowers. In this case, it's those little pieces of wheat. So the leaves are more like the backdrop. So I'm just hot gluing those on. And I do not use E6000. Reason being, I don't want it to be permanent. So in case I want to change it out, I can just take those right off. So I use more of the greenish leaves rather than those bright yellow ones. I just liked this contrast better. And I'm just filling it up so that I have a nice little space that's full on that corner. All right, so I add another leaf back behind it. I do trim those down. I do realize they're a little long. So now I take my twine from the Dollar Tree, or wherever I got this twine, but you can get it from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I got it from there. I wrap it around my hand, I don't know, maybe like 15 times maybe. And I tie a little piece around the center, tie it really tight in a double knot, and I will fluff out that little bow, cut off the extra, and I will take that bow and I will glue it right to the center. Oh, first I'm burning it because we can't forget that burning stage. And right now I'm gluing it down. And there we go. So I feel like it needed something in the center, and I did try a few things and I didn't like the way it looked. So I go and I'm going to cut off my tails right now, I think. I do think. Yes, I do. Again, I'm using my fabric scissors. I'm so mad at myself. Oh well. Okay. And I'm just checking it out to make sure it's how I like it. And I am taking my Queen Anne's lace in the greenish tint, and I am going to hot glue that on to the center of the twine flower. Look how the whole thing just popped right off. But it stayed together. Look how it just popped right off. That's okay. I'm going to glue it right back on. But that shows you how easy it is. If I want to change it out, I could pop the whole thing off at once and then re-glue it on next fall. Look at that. I'm amazing and didn't even know it. No, I'm just not a good gluer, I guess. But I didn't want it to be permanent anyway. Okay, so I popped those right on. And I'm just kind of filling up that space in the center. I know some of you said that the fall decor I had made before with the grays, whites, and tan, grayish blues was not your thing. Others said they loved it. I was trying something out a little different, but here, for those of you who want more of the fall traditional colors, here you go. This is very traditional fall colors. And notice I am just filling it up before I even put it back on. I am also cutting some of those leaves down. I'm just keeping the same shape, following the same shape around. I'm just making it smaller because I realized it was like a little too much off of the frame. Again, you could also paint the black frame if you don't want it black, but I thought it looked okay because it matched the black vinyl letters that spelled out fall. So it's up to you. You can do anything that fits your decor. If you don't want the traditional fall colors, change it. You don't have to use the traditional fall colors. It's just an idea of what you could use in your home. These are just inspirations. So again, change anything, modify any of these things to fit what your style is in your home decor. Because that's what I do. I watch other people's and I think, oh, I would love that for my house. But yet I change things. I make it my own. So that's what we're all doing. Okay, and I add a little bit more. And that's it. I mean, this is the simplest, quickest project that you can add a little something to your house, maybe to a vignette you have, and you just needed something extra. And that's this. I just trimmed down those extra green pieces. And again, stop using those scissors. I will let you know how my new ones work because I need to rip that package open immediately. And that's it. So here's the final reveal, and there it is. Okay, this is it. So I love the little clothesline. It's something so simple. Again, you can paint it to match your decor or change the sign in any way. These are just inspirations. I love those little amber vases. I think they're so cute, and I love just adding the picks and the twine around it. It's just a simple decoration. Again, these are just quick and easy crafts. So I hope you liked them. If you know anyone that would want to make something like this, please share this video with them. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I upload at least 2 times a week, and I love to decorate and make DIYs on a budget. And for those of you who have asked, I have started up my Instagram account. Do you say started up? Opened? Started, opened, whatever you do. See, this shows how old I am. I have done that. Please check out the description box below because I have no followers and it's very lonely. Okay, so check out that and say hi on Instagram to me. Do you say hi? I don't even know if you say hi on Instagram. All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye!